Simple water level indicator. Liquid level indication systems are cheap, durable, and easy to design. They are essential in many facets of today's industry, whether it be the lab of a small-scale chemist or reservoirs or water boilers of an industrial-scale operation. So, in today's project, we are going to build a simple water level indicator using a configuration of BC337 NPN transistors. A water level indicator is a simple electronic circuit that can indicate the level of any conductive liquid contained in a vessel such as a reservoir, overhead, underhead tank, or container. There are a number of electronic configurations available for achieving this function. Here we will be following a simple transistor-switching technique. 1 water level indicator PCB, JLC PCB, 1, 2 NPN transistor BC337 buzzer 5V, 1, 4 resistor 1K6 5 LED 5 limiter red to green, 6 soldering iron, 45W, 65W, 1, 7 soldering wire with flux, 1, 8 DC battery, 9V 9 battery clip, 1, 10 jumper wires, as per need. Circuit diagram. Working explanation. The working of this circuit is pretty simple. 6 terminals fashioned from the exposed end of wires are attached at appropriate heights in the vessel or reservoir, from the bottom level to the overflow alarm. On filling the vessel with water via a pump, each LED glows with respect to the terminal in contact with the water, which sends a control signal to the base of each BC337. The resultant collector output triggers the LED to glow, indicating the current level of the water in the vessel. When the water reaches the top of the container and makes contact with the alarm terminal, it triggers the overflow indicator LED and the buzzer goes off. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. After several weeks of travel, the king returned to the palace.